Hey everybody, Jason Catrone here.
Shelby Rollins.
And we are Vocal Lab Collective. Hello, Shelby.
Hello.
What's happening today?
Got up at 5:30. I worked out.
Oof.
I got my hair done.
Nice.
Because I have Grace. I had to get them covered up at 7 a.m. I had to move my appointment to very early in the morning.
That's a very early stylist.
I was supposed to be at 9. She had some stuff going on. She had to move me to 7 a.m. But you know, it worked out because then my hair was fresh and ready to shoot our podcast.
Filming. Oh,
this
yeah.
morning, so it all
if you all
worked out.
haven't checked out the podcast, Vocal Lab Podcast right here on YouTube. If you want to watch it, if you just want to listen to it, wherever you like to listen to your podcast, it's out there.
And I have a fresh blowout.
Oh, you do. That's fantastic. Cheers to that.
Anyway, then I came here, and I've been here ever since.
And here we are for people like you. So hit that subscribe button. Let's keep this fun train a-going.
Choo-choo.
Hee-hee. Hey, we're doing something fun today.
What are we doing?
Reacting to videos.
Well, that's nothing new.
No, that's all we do.
That's old hat.
I think some people out there think that's all we do all the time.
I'm sure it is.
Yeah.
But it's not.
You know, because we don't get paid for this, you guys. We do have
Not
real
yet.
jobs to pay the bills, and you know. No, we do have fun with this. Thanks for joining us. We love that you guys even care for a second what our opinion might be on anything. And we do love doing it. So today we're gonna do something a little different and fun. We're gonna do our first little reaction to TikTokers. Great voices on TikTok. So
How are we doing this?
I think we should play a game.
Okay.
Here's the game. We're gonna watch them because they're gonna kind of come together pretty quickly, I think. We haven't watched any of this yet, but I think you're probably gonna hear little segments of stuff. We have one word response to what we hear.
Okay. Are we doing the whole 12, almost 13
No, we won't
minutes?
do the whole 12. No.
Okay. So we're going to pause between artists.
Yes.
Give our one word response, go to the next one.
Or we may just talk over it. We'll see how this goes. Let's see
Okay.
what the space is like. I don't know.
All right.
Ready?
This is new.
Let's do
Here we go.
this.
I love how he's like preparing food.
I know. But also turned over ketchup bottle. Oh, okay. We got that much.
What is wrong with the pause button?
I don't know. One word.
This is harder than I thought it was going to be.
No,
Okay, my
I
one
don't know
word.
if I have one.
For him, I don't know what his name was. Did we know what his name was?
No.
I didn't catch it. Because it's so tiny.
Yeah.
So tiny. Intense is maybe my one word.
Okay.
I could say so many more words, but that's, I feel like, the first one.
Okay, it's not the point of the game. My one word would be bold.
I think that goes alongside of intense well.
It does. So
yeah.
we both picked up on the same thing.
Okay.
Maybe that's the point of this game.
Yeah.
Here we go, next one.
Okay.
All right, girls. Oh, wow, these are real quick. My word's tight.
I like that. Rich.
Ooh.
That was my word.
Okay, here we go.
Not in like money, although who knows? I don't know. Maybe they
I
are
have
rich.
been called both rich
in
and tight.
tone. Rich.
So, yeah, seriously.
All right. Let's see what this one is.
Dog player, I get it. Frog player, I get it. Understand, I understand. You ain't the man, you ain't the man.
Ooh. Okay.
Raw.
Nice. I'm gonna go with, I've got two in my head, but I think I'm gonna go with colorful.
She was using and leveraging her mouth cavity well to create different nuances and frequencies, textures with her voice that made it colorful.
I have one word for everything you just said.
What?
Jokes.
Chokes? We're back to one word. What? Did I miss something? Jokes?
Just take
Or
it for what it's worth.
Choke.
Jokes.
Jokes.
I could have jokes for days with everything you just said. Hey, let's go to the next one. Here we go.
Get your mind out of the gutter.
Woo. All
Now,
right.
my question is, because the caption says singing for my best friend for the first time, and it does look kind of honest, but I'm also like,
Is
really?
it? I don't know.
Your best friend's never heard you sing like that?
Yeah, right?
Powerful, that's my word.
That was gonna be mine. Whoa, that sealed the deal. We both said powerful.
She's good.
Yeah, real good. Here we go.
The last time I know.
Oh. I'm stumped by this one.
I needed a little bit more, and
Yeah.
part of that was
Didn't get enough.
her little accompaniment she was using was kind of loud.
Yeah.
So it covered her vocal a little bit.
That's
and
my
it was
word, more.
interesting.
I'm gonna
Maybe
go with
that's
more.
my word.
Yeah, I wish I had more so I could say more.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Nothing against her. Just, okay. Hello, 11 years old. Here we go. Stop.
At least I can see that I've tried to tell you I'm sorry for breaking your heart, but it don't matter. It clearly doesn't tear you apart anymore. I'm good.
I needed more of the reaction from the people
I
in the
know,
background. That lady was
yeah.
like, what?
That was good.
I'm
I'm going with cut.
gonna go with potential.
Ooh.
Because he's 11. That was really impressive.
Yeah, totally, totally. Okay, should we keep going? A few more? Here we go.
Yeah, I'm feeling alright, baby. I'ma have the best fucking night of my life. And
Bleep.
whatever it takes, say I'm down for the ride. Baby, don't you know I'm good and I'm feeling alright.
I'm going with smoke.
I love how your words are like more metaphoric or something. You know what I mean?
Yeah. I don't know what's just happening here.
It's an ad.
We're getting a quote for car insurance.
It's an ad.
Sorry, Carlos. We just we should just sit here and order stuff off Amazon from Carlos's computer. He doesn't know.
Smoke.
I said smoke.
I'm gonna go with.
Wow.
This one has stumped me. One word is so hard. Brevity is not my forte. Earthy.
Woo, that's a good one. That's a good one. Here we go.
Coming down, she said, in my heart and in my head. Tell me why this has to end. Oh no, oh no. I can't save us. My Atlantis we fall.
Honest.
I was gonna say real. So basically, we said the same thing again.
Look at us.
I love it when we do
Great
the same
minds.
ones. That says a lot right there on this wavelength.
Length. Not a link. Not like the internet.
It's not wavelength.
Seriously?
Is it really not?
It's really not.
Wavelength.
Wavelength with a G, TH.
Wavelength.
Length. Wavelength. Correct,
I-
Carlos? Aren't I right?
I stand corrected.
It is way less.
My daughter confessed the other night that we're driving down the street and my 4-year-old goes, "Mom, is this Old Hickory?" Like Old Hickory
Old Hickory
Boulevard, because we're
Boulevard?
driving on the road. And I was like, "Yeah, buddy, it is. Good job," because he just recognizes this road because we've driven it on a million times. And my daughter, she goes, because it's Old Hickory Boulevard, and she's like, "Mom, I used to think that the BLVD was just beveled."
Then
like,
she's got to
nice.
love half the artists and songs in the world today because everybody's taking out the
Vowels. Yeah,
My
it's
God,
true.
can we not do this anymore? Here we go. Let's do one or two more.
Joyous.
Oh, I like that.
Yeah.
I was gonna say seal. That was just the first word that came to my mind.
Like the artist.
No, like a
Like a,
art. Yeah, because that's. I was looking down to check my time and I heard the friend say that or make that sound and that's what stood out.
So the friend is your reaction word
Yeah.
is really for the friend, not
Yeah,
for the singer,
yeah,
because
totally.
she doesn't sing like a seal.
No, she does not. She sounded
okay?
fantastic. Here we go. One more. Let's see what this guy's got for us.
Begging on the good times, my love is the sunlight to keep the gods on my side. She demands a sacrifice, drink a whole sea.
It's like mine and Carlos's childhood musical theater. Yours
Mine too.
Yeah.
Committed.
I was gonna say heartfelt.
Yeah. I mean,
Yeah.
I feel like when people are in theater, in that world, which is felt very theater,
Yeah.
it's
You
you
pull
gotta
everything out.
You gotta
You gotta lay it
go
all
for it.
on the line.
You can't half-arse
No.
the theater world.
You cannot.
It does not work.
Yeah, no.
Who's committed? That was
This
fun.
was fun.
Yeah.
A new little game. Let us know if you like this or not. We'll do more. Yeah, obviously these are all. I do have a question. I would love your all's comments out there. Do you prefer it when artists, like we're reacting to today, whether it be on TikTok, Instagram, whatever, when they sing live or when they sing to a recorded track that they've recorded?
So recording that's produced versus
Yeah.
totally live.
Yeah.
Is that what we're
Yeah.
asking?
What do you guys prefer in the social media lands like this? Because we had a little of both. Primarily these were all live, but there were a couple that seemed like they might be,
Yeah, maybe a little zhuzhed,
yeah, a little zhuzhed.
even though they look very live.
Does zhuzh have vowels?
No, probably not.
Zhuzh.
It's definitely consonant heavy.
Zhuzh. Do you use that in exercises with singers?
I do. It's good SOVT
Yeah.
and for building texture.
Look
It
at
helps your
that.
voice connect in the bridges.
Look at that little learning lesson here at the end. In the back. Carlos.
Look, you got a free vocal tip out of us today.
In his native tongue. Hey, this was fun. Until next time, I am Jason Couture,
I'm Sheldon Rollins.
and we are Vocal Lab Collective.